Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
On occasion of Guru Purnima, I am going to prepare Rava Kesari. Come on, let's get started. Half cup suji rava, 1 cup sugar, required amount of ghee, cashew nuts, raisins, cardamom and orange red food color. Take a frying pan, add ghee in it, add cashew nuts, add raisins and fry it on a low flame. Fry cashew nuts and raisins until it turns into a golden color. Now in the same ghee, roast half cup of suji rava. For half cup of suji rava, add 1 cup of water and mix it well. Once rava absorbs the water, add orange red food color and 1 cup of sugar and 2 pieces of cardamom. Combine well. Keeping the flame on low, stir it well until the sugar dissolves. Add roasted cashew nuts and raisins and combine well. Mix it well till rava kesari separates from the pan. Finally, serve this rava kesari on a serving plate and garnish with roasted cashew nuts.
Thanks for watching today's episode.